The Clubhouse Fort Mini is an all-weather passenger compartment designed to keep your kids comfortable under any weather conditions. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can build it up yourself. There are 3 accessories that you'll need to build up the Clubhouse Fort Mini: the Clubhouse Mini, the Stormbox Mini, and the Sunshield Mini. For full weather protection, you will also need to install the Rain Shield Mini. So start by installing the Clubhouse Mini, and the installation is very simple. You just have the 4 screws here that mounts onto the rear rack of your bike. Next, you grab your Stormbox and you put it over the Clubhouse. The Stormbox just goes over the nubs of the Clubhouse. Then you can start strapping the Stormbox down so that it doesn't come off the bike. And you also have the straps underneath, 2 on each side. And finally, you can start buttoning up the buckles that go underneath the rear rack. Now that we've got the Stormbox Mini on, we will install the Sunshield Mini. If you're not sure how to build the Sunshield Mini, we've made a separate video, so check that out in the link below. So putting the Sunshield Mini on is also very simple. Again, just loop it over the nubs on the side of the Clubhouse Mini. So to secure the Sunshield Mini, we have to wrap these self-fastening straps around the inner tube of the Clubhouse, so that this goes under the Stormbox, and then it wraps around like so. I think it's easier to push against the outside of the Sunshield Mini. That keeps this loop section in place, and then you can just, with the other hand, slide the strap through and strap it in like so. Of course, you gotta do it on both sides. So again, pushing against the Sunshield Mini, loop it through with one hand and secure. And moving to the back of your bike, you see these little loops on the Stormbox, and this is where the self-fastening strap goes through. So on both sides, simply put that through like that, and then fasten. We'll do that on both sides. And now the Sunshield Mini is properly installed onto your bike. One thing to look out for on the rear of the bike is you don't want to be covering these 4 standing points, because that is for vertical parking. And you don't want to block your rear light, obviously. And that is how you build the Clubhouse Fort Mini. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and we'll catch you in the next one.